President Donald Trump is in the UK on his second state visit, welcomed with royal ceremonies and banquets. During the visit, the US and UK signed a technology prosperity deal worth about £150 billion, focused on investment and innovation. The Trump administration has asked the Supreme Court to allow the firing of Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. Many view this as a direct challenge to the central bank's independence. Meanwhile, ABC has suspended Jimmy Kimmel indefinitely after his controversial comments about the killing of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. The FCC made the decision under pressure. This has led to strong criticism from Democrats and free speech advocates. Some are even calling for the FCC chair to resign. Economy and finance. The Federal Reserve has cut interest rates by 0.25%, its first rate cut of the year. The Fed cited a softening labor market and steady inflation as reasons for the move, signaling a shift toward a more neutral policy stance. Markets reacted positively. Tech stocks led a Wall Street rally, with the Nasdaq climbing more than 1% and the S&P and Dow also moving higher. In corporate news, Nvidia announced a $5 billion investment in Intel to boost chip capacity for AI and data centers, sending Intel's stock soaring. Technology and innovation. Cybersecurity firm Netskope raised over $900 million in its Nasdaq IPO, debuting with a valuation near $8.8 billion. A U.S. judge found that Amazon violated online shopper protections before its trial on Prime signups. This is another legal blow for the retail giant. Panasonic announced it's developing new EV battery technology set to launch in 2 years. This shows the growing competition among companies to improve electric vehicle power systems. Automobiles and transportation. Toyota announced plans to begin manufacturing 2 electric SUVs at its Kentucky plant, a major boost for U.S. EV production. Toyota is recalling nearly 600,000 vehicles in the U.S. The issue is with faulty instrument panel displays. These displays might not show important information. Stellantis, the parent company of Chrysler, is also recalling more than 50,000 vehicles over potentially faulty fuel pumps. Health and public safety. A CDC panel chosen by RFK Jr. is set to vote on updates to the kids' vaccine schedule. This includes combined measles shots and new research related to pregnancy. Public health experts have raised alarms over potential political interference in vaccine policy. In related news, Erica McIntyre, the former head of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, warned about political interference in economic data. This raises more concerns about the independence of important U.S. institutions. Culture and society. The suspension of Jimmy Kimmel Live has led to discussions on free speech, government control, and media freedom in the U.S. At the same time, billionaires connected to Trump are buying and changing big media companies. Some of these organizations are even reducing their fact-checking efforts. In London, thousands protested Trump's visit. They criticized U.S. policies on human rights, migration, and international relations. Sports. No big game results are making headlines today. Still, debates about athlete activism and political expression are shaping talks in U.S. sports. Outlook. Key questions moving forward. Will the Fed continue cutting rates or pause after this move? How will the Supreme Court handle the case over Federal Reserve independence? Can automakers keep up with EV momentum amid recalls? And what lasting impact will political pressure have on U.S. media and culture?